Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be repairing a tongue closure. So this is how it's looking like, and this is the final look of the hair. So if you are here to learn, let's go straight to the video. And for most of you that you are new to my channel, you're welcome. I'm Kenny Debbie. You are free to like my video and subscribe. Thank you. So guys, welcome back, and we are going to be sharing with you the instrument needed for this hair, and I hope you guys learn one or two things. So the first instrument is our mannequin head, then our Swiss lace. So this is the Swiss lace and our ventilating needle with the thread. You can see the thread I'm using. This is a new thread, and this is the hair we are going to be fixing. So you're going to turn the hair to the back side of the net. So you can see how I'm doing it. So after that, you make sure you place it very well. And this is the cut Swiss lace. I've already cut the Swiss lace in order for me to fix it to the net. So you measure it with the holes. You make sure you leave some gaps apart from the turn side. You can see how I'm doing it. Then you are going to use your pin to pin it down to make the sewing easy for you. So the pin side is very necessary. It's very necessary. And mind you guys, if you look at my previous video on how I repaired a tongue closure, you can see I use a black thread and a needle. But in this video, I'm going to be using a ventilating pin. It's actually a new method that I learned and I wish to share with you guys. So back to what we are doing, you can see the ventilating pin. So I'm making sure the net is very firmed. So when you are using your when you want to sew the thread, you make sure one side is long, then the other one is short. So it's just as if you are ventilating. So when you are putting the ventilating, you can see I'm doing it as if you want to ventilate. Then you are going to pull all the air, all the thread out. But when you are doing, make sure you are very careful, and make sure the ventilating pin pick all the thread. So you are going to you can see how I'm doing it. So you make sure it's only one side that is entering the holes. I don't put the two sides. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So once you do it like that, you now tie it. See if you are tying it. So make sure you are doing it the way I'm doing it, and I hope you get it. You can get it. So it is not. So guys, before I go far, let me to like, let me to subscribe. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. You are welcome, and don't forget to follow me on my social media handles. Thank you guys. So back to what I was doing. You can see I've already tied it. So you're going to be making use of the long side hand, long side. Then when you are using your ventilating pin, you make sure the ventilating pin is attaching the old net to the new net. I hope you get what I'm saying. So in that way, that means you are already sewing it. So once the thread is out like that, you're just going to be removing it. No need of tying it. So check it how I'm doing it. So once the air is out, make sure you are very, this place is really giving me a hard time because this is the first time I'm trying it. So it's kind of, you are seeing how I'm doing, removing it. So this is the method you make use of during this process. So this is how I was doing it from the beginning to the end. So just try it. You can do it. So watch to the end. I'm coming back to give you back to talk to you guys on what you are going to do. Thank you. Keep watching.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through.
So guys, you can see how it's looking like in the on the other side. You can see it's already attacking the new one to the, like attaching the new one to the old one. So this is how it is, and it's looking natural. So that's why I continue with the method. I will have stopped, but when I see that the thing is working, so that's how I started doing it. So keep watching.
Searching, pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of
So guys, so this is another side. Once I've done it, and you can see it's already in the other side. So this is the front part, because if you don't, like, this side, it is where the net might be showing, like the needle might be showing, since I'm not using the natural, like the fishing line, thread. That's the transparent thread. So this side, and I turn the Swiss lace to the other side. Like, I pass the thread that I've been using, I pass it to this side. You can see I open the Swiss lace, then I started ventilating, using the ventilating pin to attach the old net with the new net. You can see how I'm doing it. So, and make sure you are careful with this side, and you can see how I'm doing it. So it's still the same method. That's why you have to come in the side. So once you are doing it, make sure you are very careful why drawing the pin out. So that is the method I make use of in this phase. So keep watching, keep watching. Hope you have give this video a thumbs up. Support your babe, support your girl. Thank you guys. Thanks for always coming by. So this is the method I make use of in this section. You can see how I'm doing it. Very careful, very careful. You can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. So you can drop your comment, like, you can drop your comments, your question down in the comment section below. I promise to get back to you guys. And if you feel like the video, you need more videos on this, put it down comment section. I'm going to work on those videos. Thank you guys, thank you guys, thank you guys. You can see the air is already it's already going the way it should go. It's already giving the way it should give. So that is how I make use of. You can see the at the back side also, that's the same method I make use of. So you shouldn't be confused. It's only the side that I make use of that method. So guys, keep watching, keep watching, keep watching. I love you all. So keep watching, and I hope you learn one or two things. So if you are enjoying this video, give this video a thumbs up. Once again, give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.
searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless. A sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it. And I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day exploring. My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be some.
Guys, you are done. This is how the air is looking like. So we are going to be done in the air to the other side to look how the work is looking like. So you can see how it's looking like. You can see that the net is already showing on the other side, and this is the back side. So it is very good. So this is how it's looking like. So now I've already cut it out, make sure it's very neat. So it's how it's looking like. So I'm not going to be turn it to the other side. You can see how it's looking like how it's looking like. So it is a very good one. We are not going to be the next step now is to start ventilating using your ventilating pin, and now start using the air. So this is my air bundles, this is the air bundles. So guys, I hope you all know how to ventilate for you to watch this video. So, and if you don't know how to ventilate, you can watch my previous video on beginners finding how you ventilate. Then if you feel like you don't understand it, you just put it down in the comment section. Maybe I should do a video on ventilating. So you start ventilating, and when you are ventilating, make sure you are picking the you, just as the way you are doing it while you are sewing the thread, you pick the old one with the new net, then you start putting your hair. So this is the method I make use of throughout the refilling process. This part is for refilling, so this is the process I make use of. Just make sure you ventilate, your ventilating is neat. So this is me, I'm still refilling the process. You can see, so this one is kind of more zoomed, you can see what I was doing. So try to um you try to make use of follow the line because it is in a vertical line. So I start ventilating and refilling the process. I know you all should understand this process. So guys, that's just the method I make use of while this ventilating to give me the final look of the air. So guys, I'm still begging you, I mean to subscribe, I mean to like my channel, and I hope you guys learn a lot from this video. If you learn a lot, just put it down in the comment section, and this will encourage me to do more. Thank you, keep watching, see you all in my next video. But watch this video to the end because I apply some stuff at the end of the hair to make the hair blends with the other side. So this is it. Yes, I'm done with the refilling. Don't mind my camera. I use natural camera, like no filter. So this is how it's just looking like. So this is how it's looking like. Yes, this is the refill of the hair. So it's already filled up, and the blending aspect I make use of my foundation, yeah, foundation to blend it. So but in case you have a tint, like you have the tint or dial, you can just apply it. But this is what I make use of, since it will blend the air. I just apply small parts, and I just blend it with the former notes to make it look like, you can see that the Swiss lace is kind of whitish, so it's not good. It's not good at all. Not good. So this is the other side. Then I apply the ventilating pin. You can see how it's looking like. So it might look rough in your hand, but it is actually looking nice when you wear it. You can see. So this is the final look of the hair. Thanks for always stopping by.